2026, UE4 UE5 Crash on Startup, Fatal Error and Low-Level Fatal Error Fix. Fix 1. Restart your PC. Close the game completely. Restart your game again. Fix 2. Verify game files. Open your game launcher. Right-click the game, select Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to complete. Fix 3. Update your graphics driver. Download and install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics driver. Restart your PC after the update. Fix 4. Update Windows. Open Settings, Windows Update. Install all available updates. Restart your PC. Fix 5. Repair Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2022 x64. Install or repair Microsoft Visual C++ 2015-2026. Restart your computer. Fix 6. Clear DirectX Shader Cache. Open Disk Cleanup. Select your system drive. Check DirectX Shader Cache. Delete the cache. Restart your PC. Fix 7. Disable overlays. Disable Steam overlay. Disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin overlay. Close MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner Statistics server. Fix 8. Run the game as administrator. Open the game installation folder. Right-click the game executable. Select Run as administrator. Fix 9. Disable overclocking. Reset your CPU and GPU to default clock speeds. Close any overclocking software. Launch the game again. Fix 10. Lower graphics settings. Disable ray tracing. Lower texture quality. Reduce shadow quality. Enable DLSS, FSR, or XeS if supported. Fix 11. Add the game to antivirus exclusions. Open Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection Exclusions. Add the game's installation folder. Fix 12. Reinstall the game. Uninstall the game. Delete any remaining game files. Reinstall the latest version. Launch the game again.